So first thing we'll do is we'll go, I'm already on the Home tab of the ribbon, and you can see above the Create Design there's an option for alignment. Click on that, and you can choose the Create Alignment from Objects command. And then what I'm going to do is just click on each of the line and curves that's going to make up my new alignment. Hit Enter, and you'll see that it comes up with a series of directional arrows that show you the direction of travel for increasing stationing. So what will open up now is the Create Alignments from Objects dialog box. And let's just go through some of this. You can make some edits there to suit your needs. So just going to hit OK. And then let's just zoom in.
Alright, we want to convert that into an alignment now. So alignment from objects, and pick that one. Hit enter. That's the direction I want it running. It doesn't actually matter what direction you have it in fact. It just depends on which way you build your assembly that's going to run on it, but I'll run it around that way. And let's call this CDS for cul-de-sac. Then I'm going to pick that one and delete it, because this is the line I've drawn on my cul-de-sac, which is the edge of seal going around the outside of the bowl, that assembly we've just made. Alignment. Just going to accept all the defaults here for the moment. You guys know how to make a profile view. Let me just put my corridor. We're going to call it dummy. And it's going to go along the alignment chord. Now just to make sure I get the right one, I'm going to pick it on screen, which is this design profile, layout, and the assembly I want to use is the new one that's just put in, the cat's whiskers, which are the reference planes, A and Z, or I could pick that on screen as well. And I'm going to add in all those dummy ones. Go add, and I'm also going to give them a style that looks different from the existing surface. So that's what these reference planes ones are here for. All it is a conical surface. So I've drawn alignment, and this dummy bowl one here, we're going to add that one in, and I'm going to put that on surface existing reference planes number 4, shall we say. Grade fairly closely as well, which is going to be around about there. Let's go to, well, let's make a bit of a guess. Maybe I'm just going to put in some points to begin with, and then we'll play with it later. The alignment is going to be the one called CDS, but just to make sure I'm picking the right one, use the button to pick on screen. It is, so we're good, we're all okay. So we've added that baseline in. This says for that baseline what profile I want to use. I want to use my design CDS, but just to make sure it's the right one again, use the pick button on the screen and pick the one we've just drafted in. Plan view looks great, but, well, there's a couple of things. One is this. This was the main reason why I've made my cul-de-sac with the bowl right in the on a straight segment of alignment. I'll show you how to get rid of that in a moment and why it happens. The spiral staircase, what I call a spiral staircase thing going on, in that all of the elevations of the pieces of lane are not meeting at the same elevation in the center. So as it works around the cul-de-sac bowl, it steps up and up and up and up and up. And